Disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. I'm an investor and here for informative and educational purposes only. Please do your due diligence and research to determine if any given investment platform is for you. Please note there are no promises of fixed returns or guarantees of income when you invest, so do so at your own discretion and only do it in amounts that you are willing to possibly lose. I don't recommend investing any amount of money that you aren't comfortable with losing. Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be for new users of SCF. I'm going to show you how to create your account from beginning to end. Alright, so let's get started. First things first is you're going to need a VPN to create your wallet ID for SCF because you cannot do it being in the US. So you'll need the VPN, you'll need to turn it on and you need to choose any country other than the US, and I will also stay away from any places associated in or around China. Stay away from that. So choose anywhere, choose Canada or Germany or France. Just don't choose the US and also stay away from China. What you'll need to do is go to the Apple Store or to your Google Play Store and you're going to search Windscribe, WINDSCRIBE. And it's gonna pop up. It's gonna have this logo here with like a dark blue with a white W and it says Windscribe VPN. It is free. Download it. You're gonna create an account. The account is free. You don't need to pay for anything. You're gonna choose the free option. And by choosing this free option, you get, I believe, 10 gigabytes free for the VPN per month. So it's more than enough because you're only gonna need it to create this wallet ID and you'll no longer need it after that point, okay? So once you have Windscribe downloaded, you're going to open it up and this is what it's going to look like. I do want to point out the countries that you see here with stars next to them are ones that are included in the Windscribe version that you pay for. So you can choose any of the ones that don't have a star and those are the ones that come free with the free Windscribe. So just search through, find any country that doesn't have a star next to it, and then you're just going to tap it and select it. And then once you tap it, you'll notice that the power button at the top right hand corner will start turning green and it'll now say on. So it switches from off to on and it lets you know that your VPN is on. So once you have your VPN turned on, you're going to go to the link that the person who referred you sent you, that invitation link. So you're going to click on that invitation link and it's going to take you to this website. Once you're here, you're going to click on Create Wallet ID. Remember, make sure your Windscribe, your VPN is turned on. Once you create that, it's going to give you a wallet ID at the bottom. You're going to copy that. Make sure to copy, screenshot this page. And what I like to do is paste that wallet ID into my notes because we're going to be needing that for later. And this is going to now be your wallet ID associated with your account, so you don't want to lose that. After your wallet ID is created, you can now turn your VPN off. So go back into Windscribe. Simply just tap on that power button in the top right hand corner and it'll let you know that it's turned off. Now you're going to go back to the browser where we create the wallet ID and you're going to tap on download at the bottom right hand corner. And once you tap that, it's going to take you to another page here. And depending on if you're on your Android or your iPhone, what you're going to do is select the appropriate option, but since we're on the Android here, I'm going to select Android. I will put how to download on the iPhone in the description box below. I will create another video for that, but for today we're going to do Android. So you're going to select Android. So next, what's going to happen is it's going to give you a prompt to download the file, and it only says download it again because I already have the app downloaded on my phone. But for you, you're just going to click on download. And then once you tap that, it'll start downloading. Once it's done, I don't click open here. What I do is I go out and I go to my files. And then once I'm in my files, I look for downloads because that's how the apps download here. You're going to tap downloads and then it'll bring up all your downloads. You're going to click on the most recent one. I know I have a lot here. So the one at the top, once you tap it, it'll give you another prompt. And then what you'll do is you'll tap download. It only says update, like I said, because I already have it on here. But you'll just tap download again. After you do that, it should download to your desktop of your phone. So once it's done downloading, you're going to open up the app, and then there's going to be two different spots in which you will click on next. You can click on the top left hand corner. This screw looking option in the top looks like on a screw. You can click there, or you can click in the bottom right hand corner where it says wallet. Either of these two spots are going to get you to the same place. So next, what you're going to click on is create an ID wallet. Since you're new, you're not going to import, you're going to create an ID wallet. And once you click here, you'll be taken to another page, and this is where you would paste that wallet ID that we copied earlier, the one that I said to paste in your notes. It should still be copied on your phone, so you'll just paste that wallet ID here where it's prompting you to, and then you're going to type in a password underneath there. You have to enter your password twice. Make sure it's something that you can remember. Be sure to write it down as well. And then you have the option to put a password hint underneath. Then you're going to tap create, and it's going to create the wallet ID for you. Now, once you're here, you're going to back up your 12 secret phrase. Now, this is a phrase you do not want to lose. You lose this phrase, you lose your wallet, you lose all your money. So you want to make sure you do not lose this. Don't share it. What I like to do is screenshot it. I know they don't recommend it, but I like to screenshot it, print it out, and have it. And then I also like to write it down. So you want to write it down in order that you see here, because it's going to ask for you to back it up. I want you to remember that this is the key to your wallet. This is the key to your money. Like, this is precious right here. So don't lose it. Don't share it. Make sure you hold on to it. Put it in a safe, whatever you need to do. So now you'll just need to re-enter all 12 words in order, just as you just seen it. So like, that's why I said to save it. Just go ahead and tap. Once you tap it, it'll put the word into the box. And then once you've completed all 12 words, it also lets you know when you do it wrong. So once you've completed all 12 words, you just hit next. Now you're successfully have backed up your wallet, and now you're ready to go. So there's one last thing you'll need to do. In order to get started, you need to have some SCF main token in your wallet for gas fees. So what you can do is, or what you need to do is, copy your wallet address and send it to the person who referred you, or copy your barcode here and send it to the person who referred you, and ask them to send you $5 of SCF main to get you started. Now you can Zelle them $5, or they can just give you the $5 of SCF main, but you definitely need that in order to get started. The last two coins that you'll need would be USDT BEP20. So make sure you have that in your wallet, and that's how you will initiate your staking. And you're also going to want to have some BNB for gas fees. And that's it. You're all set and ready to go. Good luck. If you enjoyed this video and found it extremely helpful, please comment, like, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you. Also, be sure to tap the little bell below so that you're always notified anytime I post new videos.